Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're demystifying how to cook perfect jasmine rice in a pot. This guide will help you achieve fluffy, aromatic grains every single time, transforming your everyday meals. We'll cover everything from the right ratios to the crucial resting period, ensuring your rice is never sticky or undercooked again. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this simple, foundational skill. Getting your ingredients right is the first step to success. For perfectly cooked jasmine rice, the water-to-rice ratio is absolutely vital for that ideal fluffy texture. You'll need 1 cup of jasmine rice and 1.5 cups of water. Adding just a small pinch of salt will also greatly enhance the rice's natural, delicate flavor, making it truly shine on your plate. Before cooking, a crucial step is to properly rinse your rice. This simple action removes excess surface starch, which is the main culprit behind sticky or gummy rice. Just place your jasmine rice in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it gently under cold, running water. Keep rinsing until the water draining from the sieve runs completely clear, which typically takes only a minute or two. Now let's get cooking. Combine your rinsed jasmine rice, the measured water, and the pinch of salt in a heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts to boil, immediately reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for exactly 12 minutes. Remember, do not lift the lid. The final step, resting, is just as important as the cooking itself. Once the 12 minutes are up, remove the pot from the heat source but leave it completely covered for another 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making your rice perfectly fluffy and tender. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to separate those beautiful individual grains. Enjoy your perfectly cooked jasmine rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.